Another a day in a life with Aaron and nagja-jogging dapat kami but nauwi siya sa pag-yogurt. It's actually my first time here sa Freeze Point here in Banlik, Kabuyao, Mamatid. Charot, hindi ko sure kung saan to. Basta malapit lang to sa amin and here I am getting the mixed because meron kang choices from ice cream, mixed, and yogurt. So, for dami rin nilang toppings which is ma-overwhelm ka but be careful kasi 39 pesos for 100 grams siya and hindi mo siya masusukat until tapos ka nang maglagay ng mga toppings sa yogurt mo. Meron din silang available waffles and I think titimbangin rin yung kanyang weight, yung total weight niya and then ayun na siya, nagtitimbang na ako. Actually, I got 146. Nagulat lang ako kasi for its price na unti lang yung nilagay kong fruits, dalawa lang siya. Ganun na yung price niya. But I think this is affordable na rin compared to other yogurts out there in the market. And this is me trying it. Actually, I love it. I love the coldness of it. And hindi ko ma-distinguish yung lasa niya. Hindi siya totally super creamy like ice cream. But it's soury like yogurt. More chika lang while enjoying. Ang nilagay ko pala is mango and then strawberries. Because usually yan talaga yung mga mahal na fruits. And then we head here sa pizza. Di-Boss Pizza ata to sa Mamatid. Mamatid nga ba? Yeah, Mamatid, Kabuyao. We ordered the bacon and cheese which is super sarap for its price na 155, 50 something. Ganun lang siya. And yung size niya is large na. At dito nga pala kami nagja-jogging minsan pag may time sa Banlik or Mamatid ba to. Basta sa Kabuyao lang yan. And super sikat yan dito. And this is us doing a selfie lang and enjoying the sunset. At promise, ang sarap ng pizza. I would definitely get one again. Bye!